So welcome students. In this question you're given that you have a circle x square plus y square minus 2x is equal to 0. And you have a chord of the circle which is along the line y is equal to x. You're asked to find the equation of a circle with AB as diameter. So how do we do this? So first, any circle passing through the point of intersection of S is equal to 0 and L is equal to 0 is given by S plus lambda L is equal to 0, right? So any circle which is passing through the intersection of this and this is given by S plus lambda L is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 2x plus lambda times y minus x is equal to 0. This is the equation of any circle through the 2 points A and B. Now, I don't want any circle. I want that particular circle which has AB as diameter. That means the center of the circle has to lie on AB. So, if AB is the diameter, the center of the circle should also lie on AB. So, let us convert this into standard form. So, x square plus y square minus x times 2 plus lambda y is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of the circle. X square plus y square plus some coefficient of x and some coefficient of y. Now, the center of the circle has to lie on the line AB for AB to be the diameter of the circle. So what is the center of the circle? Center of the circle is 2 plus lambda by 2 and minus lambda by 2. So this is the center. So this center has to lie on AB, that is y should be equal to x. This implies minus lambda by 2 is equal to 1 plus lambda by 2. This implies minus lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to minus 1. So if lambda is equal to minus 1, what is the equation of the circle? So just put lambda is equal to minus 1. You get x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0. Lambda is equal to minus 1. So x square plus y square minus x minus y is equal to 0. Thank you.